Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'm gonna make super easy, super tasty, and first of all, super healthy tabbouleh salad. Okay, but first, as usual, I would like to present a collection of all components that we need to create this extremely delicious salad. Amigos, extremely delicious tabbouleh salad is landing on the table. Bon appetit! Bon appetit very much. Sun is shining and it's raining. Rainbow is coming soon. But first, salad. Sometimes you need to take care of your health. This is the day. But this is healthy but delicious salad. Oh yeah.